So we're off.
Yes.
Yeah. At long last, man, it has been a wet winter so far. And cold and windy and rainy.
Yeah.
So it's the, what, about the 12th, 15th of January? I think it's about the 15th.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
15th.
It's Martin Luther King Day today.
That's right.
So anyway, we are on the road headed south. We've got about a 8-hour drive today, so it's going to be a long one. But that'll take us to the Bay Area for the next week.
Yeah.
Why are we there?
We're there for work. I have work there.
Unfortunately. No, not unfortunately. It's fun. Well, I don't want to speak for you.
I enjoy getting together with my team, so that's good.
Yeah. So anyway, from there we're headed to San Diego.
Yay!
And we'll be down there for about 10 days and then head into the desert for a little desert camping.
So excited.
Yeah, me too. Anyway, we'll check back with you as we get further down the road. Well, good morning, guys. We pulled into the Bay Area pretty late last night. Long day of driving, pretty slow going. But anyway, we're here for Lisa's work week here in the Bay Area where her company is headquartered. And we're staying in a hotel for this week. So we've got Maggie, which is the name of our Flying Cloud Airstream here. We've got her parked at the hotel. So this is where we'll be this week. She's at work already. It's early in the morning and it's cold. It's about 35 out right now. All right, so little girl and I are gonna go and enjoy a little bit of the energy of the city. It's fun. Lots of traffic and noise and action and activity. It's a beautiful day. It's probably, it's cool. It's in the high 30s, low 40s, but not a cloud in the sky. The sun is brilliant. The sky is brilliant. So I think we're going to take a drive into downtown Pleasanton and walk around and enjoy the city vibe. It's cool. I personally prefer the country, but a little dose of city every now and then is a good thing. So today's Thursday, and little girl and I have been pretty much confined to the hotel all week. Lisa's work is keeping her busy from about 8 o'clock in the morning till almost supper time. And there's just not that much for us to do where we're staying. We're at kind of in a office park at a hotel just within about a block from where she works. So unfortunately, we're in the East Bay Area and there's just not much going on out there. It's just one suburb after another. Regardless, today I decided to get out of there and go find a Japanese garden. So that's where I am right now in Hayward, California, which is about, I'd say maybe 15 miles from the hotel. When I got here, unfortunately, they don't allow dogs in the garden. So little girl had to stay in the car. But I'm here and I'm going to spend a little time walking around this garden. I love Japanese gardens, and part of the long-term vision for our homestead property is to incorporate elements of Japanese gardens. Lisa and I both enjoy meditation. I meditate daily, and there's nothing better than garden meditation. And I find that doing that in a Japanese garden is especially awesome. So every opportunity I get to visit a Japanese garden, I do so to seek inspiration for those elements that I'm going to incorporate into our homestead property. Again, we've got just about 3.5 acres and lots of opportunity to incorporate what you would typically see in a Japanese garden. We're at about the same parallel as Japan, and so much of the same flora and fauna will grow where we are. So anyway, I'm going to spend some time walking around this garden and see what we find. Well, guys, I just love every element of a Japanese garden, especially the water elements. And I do hope to incorporate some water elements into our homestead property. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do that just yet, but I have a feeling it's going to be the way of some waterfalls, some running water. Uh, but that will be a project to happen sometime down the road, but still looking forward to it.
Hi everyone. What a week it's been. It was super fun and productive. I'm glad it's over. It's Friday. So this is our last night in the hotel and we're hitting the road in the morning. Super excited. And that's it. Thanks for watching and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.